How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to play Fortnite on your mobile devices with a controller. So I'll be talking about the different types of controller that you guys can use and that are natively supported by Fortnite, as well as how to install it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the controllers in question apply to any basic gamepad, as well as the PS4 controller or any console controller really, as well as the Xbox controller. So the cool thing that you guys might not know about Fortnite Mobile is that ever since they ported the game into mobile, so that is to talk about the Android platform or your iOS phones or the Samsung Galaxy Store, it doesn't really matter. They've actually added native support to any gamepad controller that comes with a fixed number of inputs and commands. So all you guys really have to do is plug and play. And to show you guys what I mean, what you're going to need is a PS4 controller. So these ones come pretty cheap, or you could even use a PS5 one, but I don't really see the point in that. So you guys can get this on Amazon or any e-commerce online store really. And the cool thing about it is it comes in different types of support when it comes to connectors. And by that, I'm talking about the micro USB connectors as well as Type C connectors. So all of this to say that you guys don't actually need a hub to make use of the controller. So you don't need to plug anything into your phone. All you have to do is plug the controller directly into your phone's charging port. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what you're gonna need. So this is the micro USB male to male controller. Oh, not the controller, sorry, the connector. So as you can see, each end is the same and it can really go either way. One will go into the controller and one will go into your phone's charging port if you're using an Android device or a Samsung phone. And the other one is Type C. Here it is. This is what you would normally use if you were on an iPhone or an iOS device. So like I said, these types of controllers come in different types of connector supports. So the basic ones are micro USB, but if you guys are going to be playing on an iPhone, then you would need to opt for the Type C version, which is this one right here. So you can see that it's actually zoomed in. This is the Type C port. And honestly, all you have to do to use the controller is plug and play. As all of the commands are built into the game, so there's no installation process or any files that you guys need to download. And it's honestly that simple. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.